Good afternoon, Rutgers. Weather watcher Michael Ottavino here to bring you your Monday afternoon forecast. We had a great start to the day out there, loads of sunshine, temperature of 58 degrees out there right now, with winds calm coming from the north at 3 miles per hour. Looking at those weather headlines for today, we had a great start to the week for today into tomorrow, but unfortunately the rain does move in on Wednesday, but the good news is it does clear out on Thursday, leaving us with a clear and cool end to the week. Looking at those current temperatures out there right now, 57 degrees down in Wildwood, 59 in Camden, and 57 degrees all the way up in Sussex. Now, as we take a look at that storm watcher satellite and radar, you could see a couple of clouds moving through our area. But as we pan out to the United States, you could see the remnants of Hurricane Patricia down in Louisiana and Mississippi. That's actually going to be the reason for most of our rain coming in on Wednesday. So you're definitely going to want to grab an umbrella before you head out to class. Now, I want to point something out here with the drought monitor. You could see that yellow shades, those are actually the abnormal drought. But then if you look at the darker shades of brown, that actually represents a moderate drought. So the rain that we're going to receive on Wednesday is definitely going to help to put an end to that. Now, as you look at the futurecast to see when time the rain's actually going to move in, you can see some clouds start to move in around Tuesday at 2 p.m. and then the showers and heavier rain starts to move in around Wednesday at 11:30, and then we could even see a couple of thunderstorms looking in the orange and the yellow shades around Wednesday at 1:30. And then you could see that does clear out for Thursday morning's commute. Now, let's look at the evening planner for today around 6 p.m. Sunny skies do linger around with a temperature of 55 degrees, making its way to clear and chilly conditions tonight to clouds moving in at around midnight. Now, as we take a look ahead for your overnight, we are expecting a low of 38 degrees with light winds and clear skies. But come tomorrow morning, we are expecting some clouds to move in with a morning low of 42 degrees and winds coming from the northeast at 3 miles per hour. Now, as we take a look at that 7-day forecast, you can see that rain moving in on Tuesday and maybe a morning shower on Thursday, but that does clear out for Friday when the Mets do take on the Royals at Citi Field. We are expecting a few clouds, but mostly sunny skies with a high of 60 and a low of 40. And then for Halloween, a couple of clouds also lingering around with a temperature of 58 degrees and a low of 43. And don't forget to turn those clocks back as daylight saving time does come to an end Saturday night into Sunday. So I'm definitely looking forward to that extra hour of sleep. As always, you can check us out on channel 23.1 every 15 minutes. You can like us on Facebook at RU Weather Watcher. You can follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW, #RUWeather. And you can follow us on the web at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. My name is Michael Ottavino, and have a great day, Rutgers.